Hello traders, Skelet54 here, and today I'm going to show you how to create this kind of a bot. Though I did similar bot, this one I did similar bot a while back, whereby it's an over 3 bot that asks for an entry point, and then after that it will find for the entry point, then it will trade continuously till you encounter a loss, and then it will now find again for the entry point. So let's get started. Step 1, I'll come here, then I'll reset. I'll go to Deriv Bot, then I'll reset this initial bot that is always here. Then I'll go to digits, since we are dealing with over and under. Then I'll delete the sell condition here. Then I'll start by creating some variables here. For example, I'll start with the entry digit. Then I'll set entry digit to or lead an input. So I'll use the notification, this one, then number, then enter your entry point. This is the text that usually shows right here. You can see this one. So after that, I'll proceed now to using the entry point that you have entered right here. So because we need a scenario whereby after we win, the bot is no longer coming again to fetch for the entry point, but it will continuously run. So I'll come to the restarting conditions. Then I'll pick logic. Then on the logic, we'll go to analysis, then contract. If result is a win, then we need to create another variable. Just call it a loss. Set loss to false. Else set loss to true, meaning that once we lose, the loss will be set to true. So I'll go here, then I'll use this block. If loss is equals to true, then we need to execute the logic that are in here, or the blocks that are in this block. Set text, last digit, then we need a block right there for the last digit, this one. Then entry point, let me just put a block here for the entry point like this. Entry point is equals, then you have the block for the entry point. Just choose the variable for the entry point, and then we need a notification, this one in there. The notification should show the text. We need a loop. So go to loops, then pick this block. Then we need a time, delay for seconds, maths. Then you need the infinity. Then you need seconds. 1 second, run after 1 second. Then this block, we will attach it inside this block here. So if the last digit is the entry point, then automatically the bot should break out of this loop. So we'll go to logic, then logic again, then this block. So if the last digit is equals to your entry point, then break out, go to loops, scroll down, then pick this block, break out. Having done that, then the condition is already met as requested. So let's run the bot and test. For example, our entry point is digit 3. So we're gonna wait a minute. We're supposed to set this block right here up, this one right here. Set loss to true. We'll set it to true so that we can use the entry point, or we can rename this block so that it matches what we are intending it to do. Entry, can call it entry on. Then let's reset it and rerun. For example, you can use digit 3. You can see the last digit is here and your entry point is right here. So whenever the last digit is your entry point, now the bot should start running. So let's wait. You can see the last digit was digit 3. Let's see if we win. The bot, you see, the bot is now continuously purchasing trades without going back to fetch for the entry point. You can see when we lose, now the bot resumes fetching for the entry point once again. You can see we get the entry point, we lose again, then once we lose, goes back to analyzing or fetching for the entry point. You can see we get the entry point again. Once we win, you can see now it continuously purchases the trades. Yeah, that's it. Make sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel for more informative content regarding creating Deriv bots. And before I end the video, I'm gonna show you another form of entry point that you could probably use. So the entry point that we have used is a single digit. Like the entry point is fixed. If you have set to 1, then the bot will use 1 up to the time you stop and then start the bot again. So we're gonna change this one to a string, from a number to a string, and then we're gonna use this string here. So I'll go to text, in text, this block, then I'll create another variable. I'll call it active entry digit, then digit selector then I'll go to variables, then set active entry digit to in text. I'll use the entry digit because this is a string. Now I'll use it as a text. So in text, entry digit, then get entry selector, digit selector, this one. Then I'll set it right here. Can set it right here, yes, right there. So I'll set entry selector, digit selector to 1. Set it to 1. Then after setting it to 1, I'll now have to create another block right here below. Right before this loop breaks, or I'll create it where I'm incrementing the value of entry, the value of digit selector. So I'll create it right here. So this is maths. Then I'll pick this block, then I'll attach it right here. The reason that I've not attached it in here, because this block will be executed many times, so it will increment, or it will increase the value of digit selector to a very big number, or even it will not follow the logic that I want to show you. So digit selector by 1, change digit selector by 1, and then I'll create another logic. Then I'll attach it just right below it. So if digit selector is greater than length of, go to list, length of our entry digit, then set digit selector to 1. Now let's rerun it and I'll show you what exactly I mean. So for example, I'll put 36891, then I'll run it. You can see the entry point is showing as 36891. Let me just adjust this one just a little bit, this block. I'll set it to active entry digit like that. Then let's run it. You can see active one is digit 3 until, let's a little bit, I did not adjust this one also, active entry digit. Let's run it for the last time. Start it with 3, and I want you to master this. Is 3, 4, 5, 6. Let me just use the way they follow each other. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So let's run. I need to adjust something else. Sorry, this one I need to initialize it to 0, because by the time that it's hitting here, it's already changed. By the time that it's reaching here, it's already changed from 0 to 1 by this block. So when it's 1, it's already changed from 1 to 2. Also I need to reset this one also to 0. I need to reset it to 1. Yeah, I need to reset it to 1, because by the time now it has surpassed the length of the digits that we have input here, then setting it to 0 will give an error, because the picking digits or picking items in this little list here will start from 1, not 0. So setting it into 0, then this block will fail. So supposed to be 1, and then right here supposed to be 0, so that it is changed to 1 at this block right here. So changing this one, setting it to 1, the next time it's executing it at right here, it will be changed to 2. Then it will continuously be on the right side. So let's run it for the third, fourth time. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. The last digit should be 3. You can see when the last digit was digit 3, then the bot, now you see the entry point was changed from 3 to 4. You see, I don't know if you have realized that the entry point was now from 3 to 4. Let's see if when we lose the entry point now should be 5, not 3 anymore, or 4. That's what I was trying to show you. Like you can have your bot, you can see the entry point now is using digit 5 as the entry point. You can have your bot have its own changing entry points, not a fixed one as usually as it is like our single digit. Now it will be having yes a single digit, but it will keep on changing the entry point as you want by then the input that you put here. You can see now the entry point is digit 6. The entry point now is digit 7. It's no longer using 3, 4, 5, 6. When you lose again, it will change the entry point until it exceeds the highest or the length of the number of digits that you have input here. The length of this string could be like 5 digits, 6 digits, 10 digits, and 700 digits, 1000 digits. You see now it is back again to entry point as digit 3 after going all the way from 3 to 8. You can see now it's using digit 3 as the entry point. Now I hope I've just added something that you could utilize it to enhance your entry point logic, so that from a single or fixed digit to changing entry point, you can see from 3 back to 4, from 4 5, then from 5 6 6 7, all the, and it's not a must they follow each other. They'll follow the order that you have assigned right here. For example, let me just demonstrate that. Let me just demonstrate on that. For example, we can have 6 3 6 2 4 0 7 2 4 0. Yeah, 7 2 4 0. So let's run it again. You can see it's using digit 7. The next one should be digit 2. Supposed to be digit 2. You can see the entry point is now digit 2. Then the next one should be 4, and then 0, and then back to 7. You can see now we are on digit 4. Then we are on digit 0. So you can have like changing entry points just like that, and then could enhance your trading logics, or even if you don't really believe, if you really believe in trying some luck, then entry point could come in. You could set entry points from changing ranges like 0, 9, 5, and something. So could work on your side, or even could work against you. So make sure to also trade responsibly. So that's it. I know there's someone that is going to comment something like, now do continuous entry point. Like now it does not wait for the entry point. It does not do entry point after loss. It will do continuous entry point. Let me just show you how you will do it. You see the way I've done it right here. You'll just remove this block, the outer one, this that has entry on, this one. Just remove it like that, then delete this, then attach this one right above there. Then this one you'll have to delete them. because they will no longer be needed. Then having done that, it will need entry point in every run. It will be using entry point in every single run. So let's see. Irrespective of a loss or a profit, on a loss, see, we won this contract, but again we went again for the entry point. Can confirm. Either you go on a profit or on a loss, then the bot will obviously go to check or to fetch for the entry point. That's it. Make sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel for more informative content regarding Deriv.